Jharkhand State Pollution Control Board is one of the most proactive pollution control boards in the nation, who is working relentlessly towards improving the air quality of the state. Launching the Jharkhand Star Rating program is a pioneer step in this direction. This program discloses information on industrial particulate matter (PM) and categorizes industries from 1 star to 5 star, with 1 star being the least compliant and 5 star being the most compliant to pollution standards. This system will hold industries accountable for their emission and set new standards of data transparency in the country. It was in 2019 that an MOU was signed between the University of Chicago and Jharkhand Pollution Control Board, and we have been working towards making this star rating program a reality. We are thankful to the researchers of EPIC India who have supported designing standard operating processes and provided technical assistance to Jharkhand Pollution Control Board officials in ensuring high quality data collection across all industries, leading to this path-breaking initiative. Many months of hard working have gone in the capacity building of the industries participating in this star rating program. Today, more than 100 plus industries are associated with this program and have signed up for publicly disclosing their pollution data. I think the commitment of the industries to remain accountable and work towards reducing their emission level is commendable.